Understanding fuel cap in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used term in everyday life, especially for those who drive. We'll be exploring the term fuel cap. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Fuel. Fuel refers to a material that is used to produce heat or power by burning. It can be in various forms like liquid, gas, or solid. Common examples are petrol, or gasoline in American English, diesel, coal, and wood. Cap. A cap is a cover or a lid for something, usually to prevent something from coming out or to protect the content inside. When combined, fuel cap refers to the protective lid or cover you find on vehicles or machinery where you pour in fuel. It's the part you open when you need to refuel your car, for instance. Having a proper fuel cap is essential for several reasons. Safety. A tight sealing fuel cap ensures that no fuel can leak out, reducing the risk of fires. Environment. It prevents harmful vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, contributing to pollution. Economy. A well-sealed cap ensures that no fuel evaporates, saving you money and ensuring maximum fuel efficiency. Now, let's see how you might come across or use fuel cap in everyday situations. 1. At a service station. Excuse me, could you show me where the fuel cap is on this car? 2. During a car inspection. Your fuel cap seems to be loose. You might want to get it checked. 3. Buying accessories. I'd like to buy a decorative fuel cap for my motorcycle. Remember, context is key. In most cases, when someone refers to a fuel cap, they're talking about vehicles, but the term can also be used in the context of larger machinery or equipment that requires fuel. And there you have it. The next time you're at a gas station or talking about vehicles, you'll know exactly what a fuel cap is and its significance. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you master more English terms in the future. Happy learning!